Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNICE Hair for sponsoring this video. They sent me over this 24-inch U-Part Kinky Straight wig. And yes, she looks good. She looks good. And this is not even all the hair, okay? I got the majority of it is in the back still, okay? So yes, if you guys want to see me install this wig and see everything that comes with your wig, if you purchase one as well, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. We got a U-Part wig. So your wig is gonna come in a baggie like this. Inside you get a bonnet, but hold on, I'm gonna open this one. This is giving chef's hat. This is giving chef's hat, hold on. And it got the tie on the back, or should we make it in the front? Hold on. Okay. This is definitely giving a different kind of bonnet, okay? Some lashes, edge wrap, makeup brush, and wig caps. Then here is the wig. Okay, so here is the wig, you guys. It's giving inches. It is a U-Part wig. Oh, it's kinky straight. It's giving full and thick, soft. Okay, let's look at the construction of this wig. So we have a clip in the front on both sides, left and right. Oh, there's also a clip in the back, and there's a clip at the very back as well. You got your adjustable straps still, which is nice. So yeah, this is, let's see what this is giving. So these little straps right here, I just cut these off, both of them. They're just to like hold the wig in place. But yes, it's a U-Part wig. It's giving very deep. It's probably about 4 inches, maybe 5 inches deep. So I'm just gonna make some parting with my natural hair like this. And then we're just gonna blend my natural hair. Mind you, my natural hair is a little bit lighter than this, but I'm not gonna dye my hair to blend with this baby. I'm just gonna straighten her out. She gonna look fly either way. She gonna look good either way. But look at the body on here. It looks so good. It feels great. I'm very, very excited about this. Okay, so let me go ahead and like section my hair off or whatever. I'm gonna lay some baby hairs on the side, and then we're gonna get into installing this beaut, which I know this is going to be a quick install because these are super easy. And hold on, let's talk about how they have the hair. The hair comes into the inside of the wig, so when it blows, you're not going to be able to like see all this inside. So I love that. It's going to be like very seamless, and it's not going to be revealing none of this on the sides. Okay, so we like that. We like that. As you can see, those tracks going on the inside. Yes, that's what you need. That is for camouflaging the inside of the wig. So yes. All right, so let me go ahead and section my hair off real quick. Be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm all done with this U part. Let me tell you this. This is a whole lot of hair. It was a lot. So what I did decide to do is I put a couple of braids in the front just because I thought it would be cute. What do you guys think? I do feel like I look a little juvenile, like it is giving teenager going high school. I don't know, it's giving where's my backpack, but it's cute still, you know, it's cute. So I only have a little bit of hair in the front. The rest is, y'all, there's a whole nother wig on the back of my head, a whole nother wig. Let me show y'all the back real quick. So there's something about kinky straight hair. It reminds me of braiding hair. I'm not even playing. It reminds me of braiding hair so much. Anyway, as you guys can see, it's a whole lot of, okay? I did run the straightener through it a few times, but I didn't like take my time with it. I'm sure if you guys like took your time, you could, you know, get it a little bit more flat, but I wanted it to have texture and I wanted it to be full. The 24 inches, look where it's stopping on me. It's like right at my waistline. So It's very, very long. Very, very long. But it's beautiful nonetheless. I hope you guys like my little style I did. It's giving like innocent schoolgirl. It's definitely giving innocent schoolgirl. So yes, this is a 24-inch Kinky Straight U-Part wig from UNICE. Thank you again, UNICE, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go in the description box and check out their website and all the other wigs that they have as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.